We'll guide you through how to uninstall and reinstall NVIDIA graphics drivers. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps running into a problem with them and so you want to try doing this to go and fix it, or there's another reason for it. So to go and get started, you want to press search at the bottom. And what you can do is go and type in remove programs. You go and see the shortcut here and your settings will open up straight up to your apps here. Now what you want to do is press search and you want to go and type in NVIDIA. You're now going to go and see your different NVIDIA apps here and in drivers. What you need to do is go to the right and press the three dots and press uninstall. You need to go and repeat that and uninstall all of these. So we'll continue once you've done that. After you've uninstalled them all, it's worth doing a restart just to refresh everything. So press the Windows button and then press the power button and press restart. When your computer's back, we can now go and install them again. So open a web browser of your choice. I'll use Chrome. Go and search for the NVIDIA app. This is the easiest way to do it. So you can come to this page here. You want to press download now like so, and you can then go and get it. When it's downloaded, finally install it in your downloads and go and run it and install it. When you've got it, you can then go to the left and press drivers and go to the top right and choose the one you want. For example, I may want the game ready driver. When you click there, you should see the option for download, which you can click on. And when it's finished, it will say install and you can press install to reinstall them.